Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create website headers and banners in Snappa. First of all, start by logging into your Snappa account. Website headers and banners have varying size depending on the website layout. Common dimensions are 1920 x 1080 pixels for banners and 1920 x 500 pixels for header. Go to the custom graphics size and put the width 1920 by 500 for headers and click on create. The background sets the tone for a header or banner. Go to the background tab and choose from the options like solid color, gradient, patterns or texture. You can also upload your own by clicking on Uploads tab. Headers and banners are ideal place to showcase your logo and branding element. Go to the Uploads tab in the graphics and upload your logo here. Position your logo in a way that is visible, it doesn't overcrowd the design. Use banner or header. Most banners or headers have a headline called call to action. Use the text tab here to add the heading. Or you can also add the subheading for additional details. Adjust the font size, color and style to make your text clear and engaging. Choose font that aligns with your brand style. Once you have added all the elements, review your banner or header. To ensure it looks good and the text is readable, check that there is a balance between text, image and spacing to avoid a cluttered look. Click on download button on the top right corner and choose PNG or JPG format based on your needs. After downloading, upload your header or banner to your website's content management system and place it in the header section or wherever it's needed. By following these steps, you can create professional looking website headers and banners in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.